The entire shop was so filled with sawdust that he could barely see to get out the door to get the fresh air. Dust collection, it's a heck of a thing. So a while back, I had to be out of the shop. My buddy Bryant wanted to come over and plane some stuff down, make some cuts and all. So I obviously let him, and all, real good guy and all. And one of the things that he told me after I got back was that he had been in and the dust collector overfilled to the point where the bags themselves literally blew off the dust collector. He said that it was so thick in here with sawdust that he could barely see to get out the door, to get out of the shop. It all settled down, and, you know, he got everything turned off and got it all cleaned up and all of this. But kind of the moral of the story there was I hadn't emptied my dust collector in a while, and you got to keep dialed in on that kind of stuff because the bags filled up, and it just got to the point where the volume of air going in had no place to go because it was all full. So it literally blew the bags off. So after that, I had a single can collector at the time. I went to a double the capacity and all that. And then one of the great things that I did was I put this little trash can separator in the mix. So the vast majority of my sawdust collects in there, kind of like a cyclone collector. It sets in there. And then since then, I've gotten to the point where if my bags get even halfway filled up, I go ahead and empty them. It's always a great idea to do that. But why I have dust collection in the first place is, one, I produce an awful lot of sawdust in here when I'm doing something that involves my power machines. So I've got a trunk line that takes the extraction out of my table saw. I've got another one that comes over here and gets most everything off of my jointer. And then, of course, obviously, the surface planer over here. So I've got trunk lines that cover all of it. And one of the great things about it is they're all blast gate controlled. So right now, this one is closed. If I'm not using my jointer, I would rather have all that volume of air concentrated on the table saw or the jointer, the planer, whatever. So if I'm going to be working over here on my surface planer, I'm going to open up that gate. I'm going to close the gates on the other one. So all of that suction is contained into that one piece of equipment, picks up everything real good. So if I'm done with that one, I simply close that gate. And if I'm going to my jointer, I'll open that gate up and use that one. So I can control where that air volume is coming from and what sawdust it's going to pick up to maximize the effectiveness of the draw on a particular piece of equipment. Works out really good. Everybody like me starts out, though, here with a shop vac. For a long time, that was my means of dust collection. My machines would spill stuff out all over the floor. I'd sweep it up. I would suck it up with a vacuum cleaner, and it does work really well. Matter of fact, I still use this when I'm hooking up to use my bandsaw. I've got a port here on the bandsaw that I'll use, and this happens to be very effective, by the way. It's one of the few really effective collection systems on a bandsaw that I've come across. But I'll hook my shop vac up to that and do that. And what it does is it keeps the vast majority of the sawdust that's created in my shop. It keeps it to a minimum, collects it all. It saves me a whole lot of time sweeping up and blowing sawdust out. And then obviously I keep a couple air filters in here to keep stuff cleaned up as well. But having good dust collection is real important. It's good for your health. It's good for your shop. It keeps things a lot cleaner, a lot more orderly. Get that sawdust out of the air. Obviously, if there's a lot of sawdust going on in the shop, we're going to wear a respirator too. So that's essentially a form of air filtration as well. So get yourself a good dust collection system routed effectively to capture the dust out of your machines. And by all means, when Bryant's coming over to use the shop, make sure the dust collector is empty.